I'm Sarah Willis, and I'm with Realty One Group Discovery here in beautiful Bend, Oregon. And today we are talking about July market stats, where the market has been and where it is going.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Suzanne and Sarah YouTube channel. I'm Suzanne Moore.
And I'm Sarah Willis. We are Central Oregon's investment and real estate experts. Again, my name is Sarah Willis. My business partner is Suzanne Moore, and we run the Central Oregon Investor Network here in Central Oregon. And it's our job to bring you all of the most pertinent information that's happening in our market. And we're doing that here today. We've got a QR code here up on the screen that we would love to stay in touch with you with. Please screenshot that and send us your contact information. We'll make sure that you have all the best information in your inbox when you need it. Again, jumping right in today, just wanted to share our most recent market stats with you. And in July this year, we had a new all-time high of $800,000 in median home sales price. So what does that mean? That means we were up $15,000 month over month and almost 2 full percent since June of this year. And looking at year over year, we are $38,000 up from 1 year. So hello folks, our market is alive and well, and we are not seeing a crash here. So we talk about our change versus peak every month, and we had our previous peak was in March of 2022. We were all just appalled talking about this high median home sales price at that time, and we've been watching the market fluctuate since then. But as of June, we had a new all-time high, and now we're at another all-time high again. We are up 3.5% from our last peak, and that is $27,000 higher than our last peak. And this is our second month in a row of an all-time high. So price per square foot, this is the interesting thing this month, is $370 per square foot here in the Bend area for single family homes. And that has stayed the same since June and is actually $10 per square foot lower than it was last year. But again, when we zoom out, we are looking at the general appreciation of our market, and we are $41 per square foot higher than we were 2 years ago, and a whole 64% higher than we were in 2020. We'll talk about this a little bit more at the end. Number of sales, we are down significantly month over month. We sold 18% less homes here in the Bend area in July than we did in June. Now, this time of year, people tend to get busy. They're on vacation, trying to soak up the last of summer. It is normal for sales to creep down a little bit this time of year, and we're really only down 20% year over year. So this seems normal to me. Nothing super crazy to report here. Days on market. This is a big one this month. We are selling homes like hotcakes here. It is 9 days average on market here in July versus 13 days in June. And we're selling homes 10% faster than we did last year, when I guess about this time is when the market started to go down because of interest rates as well. So buyers who are shopping right now are moving quickly. Cash sales, this is something we watch because we work with a lot of investors who like to use cash for their investments, moving them into lucrative spots. So we've been seeing cash sales creep down since May. This past month, only 30% of the total amount of sales in the Bend area were cash versus 40%, or around, it was like 42% in May, and I think 43 or 46% in November of last year, which have been some other all-time highs for cash sales. So our investors, may just be watching the median home sales price creep up and just thinking maybe not the best place to put their money at the moment, or at least this time of year when the market is so hot. All right, we are already here at our review for the year, or for the month. This as I've already said, we've seen our highest sales price ever here in July, at $800,000 for a median home sales price. But price per square foot, as I mentioned, stayed the same. So what this means is that Larger homes are selling for less and smaller homes are selling for more. And our inventory here in Bend is still pretty low, but if you're shopping in that $1.6 to $1.8 million range and greater, huge amount of inventory and possibly really good deals to be had in those arenas, since price per square foot would be lower there. All right, thanks again for watching. I'm Sarah Willis. See you later.